Hello, welcome to this fifth video, your final video from the marketing research session, and we're going to explore developing information. So as we can see here, developing information, if we look at this box here, is the starting point for our marketing information system. So we can explore our internal records, as we spoke about previously, in terms of profit loss accounts or our own internal reports. We can explore our already existing marketing intelligence, whether that's because we've done market research before, or that might be from secondary information. So we might already know our target markets or our marketing channels, how we're likely to get that out there. Then we can complete some marketing research. And that marketing research, as we said previously, can be primary and or secondary. And by doing that, we can then analyze the information we collect and we can really understand our target market, our marketing channels, our competitors, the environment that we're going into, the product environment, the organizational environments. And from gathering that information and analyzing that information well, we can then start to do something with that. So our marketing team, our marketing managers can then start to market our product effectively based on that information that we found. So we can cost it, we can target certain populations, we can put it in certain locations, in certain shops, certain advertisements, because we've developed that initial information through our marketing intelligence, our marketing research, and our analysis of that information. Now, in terms of the earlier stages of developing information, we can think about the 7 O's. So occupants, who constitutes the market? The market might not be every single person. It might be more narrow than that. So who constitutes that market? And what do they want to buy? What object do they want to buy? Now that might be turn up and watch an event, or that might be physically buying something. But what do they want? Their objectives. Well, where do they buy? Do they buy online? Do they buy in certain shops? Do they buy in certain locations? Organizations. Who participates in the buying decisions? It might not just be the person buying who participates in that. There might be other factors. There might be other people. That might be family members, or that might be you might buy something by seeing an advertisement through a different website. So you might go on a website to buy a ticket for a match, and you might also see something else there, and you might decide you want to buy that as well. For example, a tour of the stadium. What operations? How do they buy? Do they buy online, as I've said before, or do they buy in person? Do they buy in installments? Do they buy up front? Occasions, when do they buy? Do they buy at certain points in a year? Is this a Christmas product? Is this a birthday product? Is this a product for the summer? And outlets, where do they buy? So like we said with objectives, but do they buy, if it's a summer thing, do they buy it in a shopping centre? If it's a Christmas thing, do they buy it online, for example? So once we've considered these things, we can then start to develop our information effectively and then market our product effectively.